Welcome back, friends. It's your quiz hall. How good is your knowledge about animals? Pack your bags. We are taking off for a great adventure through 50 questions. Are you ready? Let's get started. What is the fastest land animal? Remember, you have only 10 seconds for each question. Time up. It's cheetah. Now we move to the next. Which bird is known for its impressive mimicry of sounds? Is it parrot, linebird, or crow? Time up. It's lyrebird. What mammal is known to have the most powerful bite? Think, guys, you can do it. Time up. You are right. It's hippopotamus. Now, we move to the next question. Which animal is the largest species of cat? Is it tiger, lion, or a leopard? You can do it, friends. It's tiger. How many hearts does an octopus have? Is it 1, 2, or 3? Time up. Answer is 3 hearts. Yes, you are right. The answer is horse. It is very easy, friends. Just think hard. It's bat. Which fish has the ability to inflate itself? Yes, it's true. It's pufferfish. Which animal is known for its slow movement and lives in trees? Yeah, answer is sloth. What is the largest mammal in the world? Oh, you guessed right. It's blue whale. Which bird is known for its bright blue and green plumage? Yup, it's peacock. What is the largest species of shark? It's whale shark. Which animal is known for changing colors to blend in with its surroundings? Time up. The answer is chameleon. What is the only continent where giraffes live in the wild? Time up, guys. Now, we move to the next question. Yeah, you are right. Elephant is the right answer. Next question is, which animal is the largest species of primate? Good, you are doing well. What is the fastest aquatic animal? Is it dolphin, swordfish, or sailfish? What do you think? Time end. It's sailfish. Which animal has the most legs? Option A, centipede. Option B, millipede. And option C, spider. It's millipede. Which bird is often associated with delivering babies in folklore? The right answer is stork. Which animal is known as the chip of the desert? Answer is camel. Which animal is known for its black and white stripes? It's zebra. You can do it, just think hard. It's bat. What type of animal is a Komodo dragon? The correct answer is lizard. Which animal is known for having a pouch to carry its young? Which option is correct? Time up. It's kangaroo. Which bird is known for its distinctive hooting sound? Owl, pigeon, or crow? Owl is right answer. What is the only penguin species found north of the equator? It's Galapagos penguin. Next question is, which animal has the thickest fur? Polar bear, sea otter, or beaver? It's sea otter. Which animal is known for its distinctive laughing call? Is it hyena, kookaburra, or macaw? It's hyena. Right answer is beaver. Which bird has the longest wingspan? Time up. Correct answer is albatross. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Is it lion, tiger, or leopard? It's lion. Which animal is famous for its black and white fur and bamboo diet? Which option is correct? Time up. Panda is the right answer. Which mammal is known to lay eggs? Is it platypus or echidna? And last option is both. Time up. What type of animal is a gecko? Choose the right option. Time up. Next question is, which animal is known for building dams? Beaver, otter, or muskrat? Select the right one. Time up. The answer is beaver. Which animal has a prehensile tail, allowing it to grasp objects? Is it monkey, lemur, or chimpanzee? What do you think? It's monkey. Which bird is known for its courtship dance? Peacock, crane, and the last one is flamingo. It's crane. Next question is, which animal is known for its incredibly loud roar that can be heard from miles away? Yes, you are right. Correct answer is lion. Which animal's tusks are made of ivory? Options are rhino, walrus, and last one is elephant. It's elephant. Which bird is known for its exceptional speed in a dive, reaching over to 100 miles per hour? Falcon, hawk, or eagle? It's falcon. Which animal can rotate its head almost 360 degrees? Yes, you are right. It's owl. Good job. Next question is, what type of animal is a chinchilla? Oh yes, it's rodent. Which animal is known for its trunk, a long nose, used for many functions? Is it elephant, anteater, or rhino? It's elephant. What type of animal is a bottlenose? What do you think? Time is up. Which animal has a tongue that can be as long as its body? Options are anteater, chameleon, or frog. Right answer is anteater. What is the smallest mammal in the world? First option is the right answer. Which animal is known for its distinctive purr? Is it cat, dog, or rabbit? It's cat. Which animal is known as man's best friend? Options are cat, dog, and the last one is horse. Dog is the correct option. Which animal is known for its ability to regenerate lost limbs? Is it starfish, salamander, or crab? Time up. It's starfish. Which animal's fingerprints are almost identical to human fingerprints? Which option is correct? It's koala. Thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe.